we are just going to check the brakes just to make sure we've got some meat on the pads and it's safe to drive on the road. We've already got the wheel off, and as you can tell at the side here, we've got the caliper. This is obviously a disc. It's not been driven for a while, so it's going to look a bit rusty. But ultimately we need to look in here. The disc itself is in fairly good condition. There's no lip on the edge, and let's be fair, they're nice and smooth. So in here, if you can see, these are the pads. So you have a backing disc that's here, and then you've got the meat of the pad, which is this bit here, and then there's your disc. And I don't know whether you can see on the other side, on the inside, there's two sets of pads, one either side, and again in the middle, you can see there's plenty of meat between the backing plate of the pad and obviously the disc. So we're quite happy that they're okay. And what we're going to do is, we're going to give them a quick spray of brake cleaner, wash out any contaminants. Make sure everything's solid, which it is. I'm going to give a tiny little spray inside here, which is on the caliper carriers with WD-40. And all that's doing is, it just gives it a little bit of lubrication when the caliper's got to move backwards and forwards. And I'm sure whoever changes the pads next will appreciate me doing that. Other than that, it's all solid. We're going to put the wheels back on, and we know that this car is actually going to be safe and good to go again.